Welcome to Think Tomorrow, the channel that explores how technology is shaping our future. Today, we will talk about driverless cars and how they will change the way we travel. In recent years, driverless cars have become a hot topic, with many experts predicting that they will revolutionize the transportation industry. But what are the advantages and disadvantages of driverless cars, and how will they impact our lives? Let's find out. Advantages of driverless cars. One of the biggest advantages of driverless cars is safety. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, 94% of car accidents are caused by human error. By eliminating the need for human drivers, driverless cars can significantly reduce the number of accidents on the road. Moreover, driverless cars can also help reduce traffic congestion and improve fuel efficiency, leading to a cleaner environment. Potential economic impacts. While driverless cars have the potential to revolutionize the transportation sector, they may also have significant economic impacts. On the one hand, driverless cars could lead to job losses in the transportation industry, as drivers will no longer be needed. However, on the other hand, they could also lead to cost savings and increased productivity, as they can operate 24/7 without rest breaks or the need for human drivers. Challenges of driverless cars. Despite their many advantages, driverless cars also face several challenges. One of the biggest challenges is technical limitations, such as the inability to operate in extreme weather conditions or to navigate complex urban environments. There are also ethical dilemmas associated with driverless cars, such as who will be held responsible in case of an accident. Finally, there are legal issues that need to be addressed, such as liability, privacy, and data protection. Impact on society. Driverless cars will also have a significant impact on society. They will change the way we commute, as people will be able to use their time more efficiently while traveling. They will also affect urban planning, as fewer parking spaces will be needed, and cities will become more pedestrian-friendly. Driverless cars will also change social interactions, as people will have more time to interact with each other on the road. Future implications. The potential for innovation and new industries is vast with driverless cars. For example, it could lead to new services that are currently not feasible, such as on-demand transportation services for elderly or disabled people. It could also lead to new business models, such as car-sharing services, that are currently not profitable with traditional vehicles. However, as with any new technology, there are always unforeseen consequences that need to be considered. Technical advancements. Driverless cars rely on an array of sensors and cameras to detect and respond to their surroundings. These sensors include LiDAR, radar, and sonar, which create a 3D map of the environment around the car. In addition, machine learning algorithms analyze this data and make real-time decisions about how the car should respond. This technology is constantly evolving and improving, with new advancements being made every year. Public perception. Public perception of driverless cars is mixed. While some people are excited about the potential benefits, others are concerned about safety, privacy, and control. Many people worry about the possibility of accidents or system failures, as well as the potential loss of control over their own transportation. Privacy is also a concern, as driverless cars collect large amounts of data about their passengers and surroundings. Legal and regulatory issues. As driverless cars become more prevalent, there will be a need for a legal and regulatory framework to ensure their safe and responsible use. This includes developing standards for cybersecurity, privacy, and safety, as well as establishing liability in the event of accidents or system failures. Governments will need to work together to create a consistent framework that can be applied across different regions and countries. Comparison to traditional vehicles. While driverless cars offer many advantages, they also have some drawbacks compared to traditional vehicles. For example, they may not be as enjoyable to drive, and they may require significant upfront investment to purchase or implement. In addition, they may not be suitable for all types of environments or situations, such as off-road driving or extreme weather conditions. However, driverless cars may also coexist with traditional vehicles in the future, with different modes of transportation being used depending on the situation. Impact on the environment. One of the potential benefits of driverless cars is their impact on the environment. With autonomous vehicles, there is the potential to reduce emissions and improve air quality. By optimizing routes and reducing traffic congestion, driverless cars can help reduce the amount of time spent idling in traffic, which can lead to lower emissions. In addition, driverless cars can be designed to be more fuel efficient than traditional vehicles, which can further reduce emissions. However, the environmental impact of driverless cars will depend on how they are used and how they are powered. For example, if they are powered by fossil fuels, they may not be as environmentally friendly as electric or hydrogen-powered vehicles. Cybersecurity concerns. As with any technology that relies on connectivity and data, there are potential cybersecurity risks associated with driverless cars. Hackers could potentially gain control of the vehicles, either to steal data or to cause harm. For example, they could potentially cause accidents by taking control of the vehicle's steering or braking systems. To prevent these types of attacks, manufacturers and governments will need to implement strong cybersecurity measures. This includes ensuring that the software and hardware used in driverless cars are secure and regularly updated, and that data is encrypted and protected from unauthorized access. In addition, there will need to be clear guidelines and regulations around the use of driverless cars to ensure that they are used in a safe and responsible manner. In conclusion, driverless cars have the potential to revolutionize the transportation industry and change our lives in many ways. They offer significant advantages, such as safety, reduced traffic, and environmental benefits. However, they also face challenges, such as technical limitations, ethical dilemmas, legal issues, and cybersecurity concerns. As we move towards a future with driverless cars, we need to carefully consider the potential benefits and challenges and work together to ensure that they have a positive impact on our society. Thank you for watching this video on Think Tomorrow, and we hope that you found it informative and thought-provoking. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. By doing so, you can help us to spread awareness about the potential benefits and challenges of driverless cars and promote a safer and more sustainable future for all of us.